the impact of technology on the environment and how environmental technology could save our planet. This video takes a look at the paradoxical ideology that while the impact of technology on the environment has been highly negative, the concept of environmental technology could save our planet from the harm that has been done. This idea is supported by World Wildlife Fund, who have stated that although technology is a solution enabler, it's also part of the problem. The term technology refers to the application of significant knowledge of practical purposes and the machinery and devices developed as a result. We are currently living in a period of rapid change, where technological developments are revolutionizing the way we live, at the same time as leading us further into the depths of catastrophe in the form of climate change and resource scarcity. On this video, we are discussing the negative impact of technology on the environment due to the causation of some of the world's most severe environmental concerns, followed by the potential that it has to save the planet from those same problems. Finally, it will explore the particular environmental technology on the gas scenario and discuss how it plays a part in the mitigation of negative environmental consequences. Now, what is the impact of technology on the environment? The Industrial Revolution has brought about the new technologies with immense power. This was the transition to new manufacturing processes in Europe and the United States in the period from about 1760 to 1840. This has been succeeded by continued industrialization and further technological advancements in developed countries around the world, and the impact of this technology on the environment has included the misuse and damage of our natural earth. These technologies have damaged our world in two main ways: pollution and the depletion of natural resources. Air and water pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and methane are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere. The main sources are related to technologies which emerged following the Industrial Revolution, such as the burn of fossil fuel, factories, power stations, mass agriculture, and vehicles. The consequences of air pollution include negative health impacts for humans and animals and global warming, whereby the increased amount of greenhouse gases in the air trap thermal energy in the Earth's atmosphere or cause the global temperature to rise. Water pollution, on the other hand, is the contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater, usually due to human activities. Some of the most common water pollutants are domestic waste, industrial influence, and insecticides and pesticides. A specific example is the release of inadequately treated wastewater into natural water bodies. It can lead to degradation of aquatic ecosystem. Other detrimental effects included diseases such as typhoid and cholera, eutrophication, and the destruction of ecosystems, which negatively affects the food chain. Depletion of natural resources. Resources depletion is another negative impact of technology on the environment. It refers to the consumption of a resource faster than it can be replenished. Natural resources consist of those that are in existence without humans having created them, and they can be either renewable or non-renewable. There are several types of resource depletion, with the most severe being aquifer depletion, deforestation, mining for fossil fuels and minerals, contamination of resources, soil erosion, and overconsumption of resources. These mainly occur as a result of agriculture, mining, water usage, and consumption of fossil fuels, all of which have been enabled by advancements in technology. Due to increasing global population, levels of natural resources degradation are also increasing. This has resulted in the estimation of the world's eco-footprint to be 1.5 times the ability of the It's to sustainably provide each individual with enough resources that meet their consumption levels. Since the Industrial Revolution, large-scale mineral and oil exploration has been increasing, causing more and more natural oil and mineral depletion. Combined with advancements in technology, development and research, the exploitation of minerals has become easier and humans are therefore digging deeper to access more, which has led to many resources entering into a production decline. Moreover, the consequence of deforestation has never been more severe, with the World Bank reporting that the net loss of global forests between 1990 and 2050 was 1.3 million kilometers, primarily for agricultural reasons, but also logging for fuel and making space for residential areas, encouraging by increasing population pressure. Not only does this result in a losses of trees, which are important as they remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, but thousands of plants and animals lost their natural habitats and have become extinct.